Alright, y'all, so I get up this morning, and what do I see? We got a foot of snow on the ground. This is Richmond, Virginia. We never get snow here. Or we do, but not very often. And this is the most snow I can ever remember having. So, right now we've got about a foot, and it's supposed to snow until about, I don't know, tonight sometime. It's about 3 o'clock right now. So I've been through the backyard and all, but look, you can barely see the VW way down there. It is completely covered in snow. Yeah, we definitely got a good amount of snow. So yeah, if you can see, look, if I just stick my foot, look at the drift is on the tree there. If I stick my foot in it, look at how far it comes up to it. Comes up to about at least mid shin. Yeah, let me just walk back here to the shed. There's a ton of snow. Like I said, we hardly ever get snow here, or a sizable amount at least. Look, over here in my log, you can just see how much snow we've got. Quite a bit. Look at the VW. Yeah, that's quite a bit here. I'll show you. I got one ruler in my shed here. Alright, and turn the radio off. I tried to ride a mini bike and I got like 2 feet from the shed and it just stopped because it will not go through a foot of snow apparently. But yeah, here's your ruler here. So yeah, let's see. I'll show you how thick, how deep it is. Oh, let's just stick it up in there. Push it down. Oh, okay. We've got about 11 inches. Never mind the foot, but it's still snowing, so it'll probably go up to about a foot. Still got like 3-4 more hours of snow, so yeah. There's how I had to shuffle off. I'm gonna ramp onto my deck. Oh, the snow, yeah, we never get snow like this. But yeah, I'll just go around and show you some other stuff. Go through this path in the backyard here. I just went out to Dick's this morning and bought some new boots. My old ones are too small and not as high, so I got some good Irish setter or settler or something like that made by Red Wing. So they're definitely good boots. Here's my my 85 Suburban covered in snow. Yeah, there's a ton of snow. Yeah, we have definitely got a good amount of snow. My mom is gone. She went to the store to get stuff for dinner. But yeah, if you can see. Oh, look at the icicles over here. Up there on the house. Look at them. There's a whole bunch of them. This bush is completely all, yeah, look, it's pulling the cord for the lights, Christmas lights. Yeah, so it's pretty crazy. We got a ton of snow, at least for here. Yeah, look at that. I just got hit in the eye with a snowflake. Wonder if I can pull it down. Look, they're sticking up. Got me an icicle. Yeah, there's my snow shovel. Just shows how deep it is. And pull it out. Yeah, that thing. That shovel's been sitting there for like a year now. Our last snow was in March, and we only got like 6 inches, which is still pretty rare because we only get a good snowstorm about every 5 to 6 years. And this is 2 good snows in 1 year. Because it's December, I don't know exactly. I think it's like the 19th or 20th, something like that. We definitely got a good snow. Neighbor's dog barking at me. Yeah, hold on. Well, it looks as it is December 19th at 4:08 p.m. So, yeah. So, just show you pictures of the VW. And, yeah, that's the snowstorm for December 2009 in Richmond, Virginia.